Say hi to Toby, man. We've been told that he's a year and a half. I don't know if he's an exotic breed, but I know those are not colored lenses. We suspect that he's abandoned because one day he showed up here with a collar and he has terrible road sense. You know how stray dogs understand the streets instinctively because that's where they're born? Yeah, not this guy. In fact, he even met with an accident a couple of months ago. All is good, he's survived, but we want to avoid this for the future, and that is why this beautiful boy is up for adoption. He's playful, he's loyal, he's so full of love. If you'd like to know more about Toby, go to ronakrajani.com/adoptions and click on Inquire Now.